Blunt Metalwork, February 10, 2019. Today we're going to do a quick test. This is PSF27 with 64 Rockwell, and I started with some diamond plate and fairly sharp. PSF27 is similar to pretty much a version of D2 with a different manufacture process, and it's about to be a little bit smaller carbine. And I sharpened enough to cut phone book paper. And so standard test I'm going to do, I'm just going to do quickly. This is just some zip tie, and I'm going to get the double cut, and oh well, now it's too short. And half inch scissor rope, harbor fray here. Okay, and do just one quick sanity check. I mean, like, make sure that it didn't do. This is 64 Rockwell right away, so there's no problem. And this is the pork rib bone. It's been grilled, and this is the hard end, and this is the soft end. This is the bone marrow end, and this is the other tough end. I can cut a few in the bone marrow end. Basically, I'm going to cut and push forward like this. See? So this is the easy end. I sharpen pretty much, I think it's about 15 or 14 or 13 degrees per side. No, I mean, just free-handed, slightly the shoulders. I mean, I smooth it over with 222 grit. I mean, 220 grit. So, and the thickness behind the edge about 10 thou. Anyway, I mean, I don't expect the damage to be large. So, and this is the hard end, and so, and I mean, pretend that, I mean, when you process meat and you do hunting or something, and you end up running to bone. But now I'm going to cut the bone here. And I'm going to do a little bit more unfriendly. Basically, do a little bit of that motion and see what the extent of the damage, and so, and what the damage mode is. And actually, you're probably not going to see it, but the edge is actually ripple, because it's fairly thin and sharp. So, yeah, I don't see, you can see it. I can see the right there, the rippling of the edge. But we'll see how it performs. There's the rippling part. It's not a, let me verify it with the lube here. See any chip, because when the bone is folded over the ripple, you keep pressing on it, and it will yield. But we'll see what the damage mode here. Yeah, it's ripple. There is I will take a close-up pic and then put it at the end of the video. All right, thanks for watching.